So this is a great one to get used to. I'll leave it right there. You're gonna put your feet on this little platform, grab the bar in front of you, cut the slack with your legs, but not all the way. You don't wanna be straight-legged, okay? You wanna be a little bit bent. And then you're gonna lean forward a little bit, not too much. You don't wanna have your back bent over. Shoulders are gonna be engaged the whole time, okay? But lean forward a little bit and then pulling back with your elbows, have the bar meet your belly button. Forward and back. And really engage with your back muscles as you pinch your elbows back so you can feel them. Okay, now we're heading over to the lat pull down machine. Again, another very common machine. The difference about this one is the choice of bar called grip. So we're gonna put this on and then turn it this way so that our hands are across it in front. And then before we get started, make sure you adjust this little pad here too that's gonna stop you from flying up. And you want it nice and tight on your legs. Apparently that's as low as it goes. So I just actually need to grow my quads, is what it's telling me. But anyway, this is where it's gonna be. Reach up, grab the bar, come down in the seated position, and then with these, the movement is all in the elbow. You're pulling the elbow down and pulling this bar until it reaches your chest. And again, mentally connect with your back as you're doing it. Keep your movements nice, slow, and controlled, no swinging. And at the top, make sure you get that good little stretch, okay? Now we are gonna do the rear delts, which is this little muscle right here that forms that really sexy back valley at the top. So, hop on. These, you don't really need to do them too heavy. And as far as the positioning goes, you just want the bench to be somewhere so that whenever your arms are in front of you, they remain in line with your shoulders. You don't want to be so low that they're up here or so high that they're down here, okay? So this position is pretty good for me. You're gonna reach out with your arms, just like a wing. I'm gonna show you my back while I do this. Okay, ready? Again, nice, slow and controlled movement. To finish off, we are going to target that lower back, which is that really, really pretty back valley down here. Super important that you target that as well. We're using this 45-degree hyperextension machine. A lot of gyms have this, majority do, I would say. So to set it up, you're going to be pulling this lever and lowering it to the height of your leg. So I'm obviously extremely short, so I have to put it all the way down to the bottom. Then you get up in position. See how this is not getting in my way? You want to make sure it's not stopping your movement, okay? So I'm going to show you without weight, but you can in fact add weight as you master the movement. With this, you want to just drop down, hands in front of you, as low as you can, and then bring yourself back up until you're basically in a straight line. You don't need to go any higher than that. This is hyperextending. And again, keep the movement nice, slow, and controlled. And do your reps. And then when you're ready to add on some weight, you can reach down, add a little band. Reach down and add a little band and use that to add some tension as you get to the top. Okay guys, that concludes our very easy beginner back day. So save it, try it out. Like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know what you want to see next time. Bye.